Hello, I'm Sunny, your AI interviewer. It's nice to meet you. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi Sunny, my name is Zakir. I'm working as a Software Level 3 business analyst in the healthcare domain, and I've been based in Dubai, Middle East. Looking forward for the interview.
Welcome, Zakir. It's great to have you here. I'm looking forward to our conversation about the healthcare analyst position. Let's get started with the interview. How would you design a data warehouse to store and analyze EHR data? And what data modeling techniques would you use to ensure data integrity?
Yeah, I would use tools like SQL Sybase for database modeling. I would also use tools like Enterprise Architect to create data model and to ensure data integrity. I will make sure there are primary keys in every data object and they have the right references, and also define certain validation rules for the data model.
Additional technical specifics on data warehousing design patterns and EHR data modeling standards would strengthen your response. Can you describe a situation where you had to communicate complex data insights to a non-technical stakeholder, such as a clinician or healthcare administrator, and how did you approach this challenge?
Yeah, communicating to non-technical stakeholders is to ensure that most simplest terms are being used, and I create PowerPoint slides or Google one and represent them in the most simplest way. So the terms are very transparent and it will not add more complexity, and have a good communication channel for non-tech stakeholders.
Providing specific examples of successful communication strategies and techniques used to engage non-technical stakeholders would add more depth to your response. Suppose you are tasked with developing a dashboard to track healthcare outcomes for patients with diabetes, using data from EHRs and claims, and you notice that there are discrepancies in the data. What steps would you take to resolve the issue and ensure data quality?
Yeah, so the first method is to check at the data source if the data validation is performed in the accurate way, and also if the validation rules are applied and data enriched in the right way. So I would go through the business process and perform like end-to-end validation to ensure the data is accurate and not causing inconsistencies.
More detailed explanations of data validation methods and specific data quality control measures would enhance your answer. This concludes the interview. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Someone from our team will reach out to you shortly. You can now check your interview evaluation.
Thank you. It's great discussing Sophia Level 3 business analyst role with you.
It was a pleasure speaking with you too, Zakir. I wish you the best of luck with your application. If you have any further questions or need any assistance, feel free to ask. Otherwise, it was great having you here, and I hope our paths cross again.